So next topic is Kossel-Lewis approach to chemical bonding. So in his theory, that is Kossel-Lewis theory, he explains the formation of molecule. Explain the formation of molecule based on electronic configuration gas. So already we know noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So previous topic I mentioned noble gases are inert. So he also based on electronic configuration of noble gas, he explained why atoms combine to form a molecule. Another question he asked, why atoms, noble gas do not react with each other, even noble gas do not react with the other elements. Why noble gas do not react with other elements? Why noble gas do not react with each other, do not combine to form a molecule? Because helium atomic number is 2, neon atomic number is 10, argon atomic number is 18, krypton atomic number is 36, xenon 54, radon 86. When you write electronic configuration of these atoms, so according to Bohr's model, K shell we can accommodate 2 electrons, L shell maximum 8, M shell 18, N shell 36. 4 square 16, 32. So for helium, so only 2 electrons, so K shall accommodate 2. For neon atomic number 10, so K shall 2 electrons maximum to accommodate. So out of 10, 2 is filled in K shell, means balance we have 8 that is filled in L shell. In case of argon, 2 electrons filled in K shell, 8 electrons filled in L shell. So out of 18, 10 gone, remaining 8 in the M shell. In case of krypton, 2, 8, 18, because you see 36, so 10, 28, so balance we have 8 electron. In case of xenon, 2, 8, 18, that means 10, 28, so balance we have 54 or 28 means we have 14, 6, so we have 16 electrons. This 16 electrons, 16 electrons split it as 8, 8. In case of radon, 2, 8, 18, 32. Is 32, 50, 60, balance here. So 86 balance 16 means we have 26. This 26 will split it as 18, 8. So in all you see the electronic configuration of noble gas, you have to see the outermost shell. So outermost shell means except helium, all other atoms have 8 electrons, that is stable electronic configuration. All other atoms have 8 electrons in the valence shell. Valence shell means outermost shell. They have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. If they have 8 electrons in the outermost shell or completely filled electrons in the outermost shell, already configuration means either 2 or 8. So you say except helium, all other atoms have stable electronic configuration of 8 in the outermost shell. Helium has the completely filled electrons in the K shell, that is stable. Hence they do not have tendency to lose or gain electron. So that's why they do not have tendency to lose or gain electron, because outermost shells are completely filled in the valence shell, so there is no possibility to lose or gain electron. That's why noble gases are always exist in monoatomic gaseous atom. They never form diatomic molecule. They never form diatomic molecule because they are completely filled or they have stable electronic configuration of octet, that is 8 electrons in the outermost shell. That's why noble gases do not combine with each other or does not react with other elements. So based on electronic configuration of noble gas, he explained a new theory. He proposed a new theory is called electron theory of valence or octet rule. So based on that concept, he proposed a new theory is called electronic theory of valence or octet rule. So in this theory, what he is telling is, except noble gas, all other atoms combine to form a molecule. Why all other atoms are combined to form a molecule? Because they have incomplete valence shell. He said, except noble gas, all other atoms combine to form a molecule. Reason is they have incomplete valence shell. and tends to attain no stable configuration. This is about electronic theory of valence. Since in the electronic theory of valence or octet rule, in this he said that except noble gas, all other atoms combine to form a molecule. Reason is because they have incomplete valence shell. That shell you have to tends to attain stable electronic configuration. How the atoms can combine? So atoms can combine by two ways. One is either by transfer of electrons to attain stable configuration. Either transfer of electron or sharing of electron to attain stable configuration. So atoms can combine either by transfer of electron or sharing of electrons to attain stable electronic configuration similar to noble gas. So based on this, he defined as stable electronic configuration of, already I said, octet means 8 electron. Stable electronic configuration of octet means 8 electron. Based on this, they defined octet rule as the tendency of atoms to have 8 electrons. In the valence shell are said to be called as octet rule or rule of 8. Octet rule or rule of 8. So this is called as octet rule or rule of 8. So let's see it on examples. Already I told you example in the beginning. I said NaCl. How these two different elements combine to form a molecule, because you see atomic number for sodium is 11. So when you write Bohr's model, K shell to accommodate 2 electron, L shell to accommodate maximum 8 electrons. For us atomic number is 11. So already K shell, L shell filled. So 2 plus 8, 10. So remaining we have 1 electron. So in this case, so sodium to attain stable electronic configuration of octet. So the tendency to lose 1 electron. That means this 1 electron will lose means automatically the outermost, the valence shell attain a configuration of stable configuration of octet. So we have to lose this 1 electron. So sodium becomes 2,8. So I will always remember this. Loss of electron is positive and gain of electron is negative. So in this case sodium loss its electron, so charge is Na plus. Same way you consider for chlorine. Chlorine atomic number 17. So when you write Bohr's model, K shell to accommodate 2 electrons. So L shell 8 electrons. Out of 17, 10 electrons filled. So balance we have 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So in order to attain stable electronic configuration of octet, so chlorine need 1 electron. So chlorine gains 1 electron. So Cl gain of electron means minus. So Cl gained 1 electron. So Cl minus to become 2, 8, 8. You see sodium losses its 1 electron to form 2,8 stable configuration. Chlorine gains its 1 electron to attain stable configuration. That's why in the textbook they given sodium gives Na plus E minus means they lost only 1 electron, that's why E minus. In case of chlorine, they gain 1 electron becomes Cl minus. So this octet rule is example for octet rule. And another last point is, if the valence shell, when the atom will lose or gain electron, if the valence shell has 1, 2 and 3 electrons means valence outermost shell, or 5, 6 and 7 electron. If the valence shell outermost shell has 1, 2, 3 electron, that means outermost shell has 1 electron or 2 electron or 3 electron means they tend to lose electron. If they have 5, 6 or 7 means they tends to gain electron. That's why in sodium the outermost you have 1 electron, so they are ready to lose. So then losses it becomes Na plus. In chlorine you see outermost is 7, that's why it gains 1 electrons becomes stable configuration of octet. So these are about Kossel-Lewis approach to chemical bonding. So next we will see Lewis dot structure.